Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. We are from Group 5. My name is Shala Syabani Akila, and my partner is
Putri Zahra,
Fitria Septiani,
Raihala Zuardal Firdaus,
Sastri Setiawati,
Nirmala.
We want to presentation about our discuss is narrative text, surah, and baya. Let's go. List of contents. First, narrative text, and second is analysis text.
This is story about surah and baya.
Analysis text orientation. First, paragraph 1. Attempt 3 word to animals, surah and baya. Surah a shark and baya was a crocodile. They live in the sea.
In complication, paragraph 2, 3, and 4.
One day, Surah and Baya were looking for food. Suddenly, Baya saw a goat. Delicious. This is my land, said Baya, looking careful at the goat he was looking at. No way, this is my land. You are greedy, said Surah angrily. Then they took over the goat. After a 4 hours of fighting, they were very tired. Tired of fighting, they went back to the place where they lived and decided to live in different place.
Surah lived in the water and Baya lived on the land. Their border was the beach, and they would never fight over food. One day, Surah went to the land and looked for food in the river. She was very hungry and felt that there was not much food in the sea as there was on land. As Surah looked for food, she was surprised to see Baya looking at her from a distance with a very angry look. Baya was furious when she found out that Surah had broken the promise they and had mad. Then Baya approached Surah with an overflowing anger.
Resolution in paragraph 5. And in a very short time they both ate each other. Surah bit Baya's tail, and Baya did the same with Surah. He bit so hard that Surah finally gave up and went back to sea. Baya was very happy.
Don't be greedy, because greed will lead us to misery. And the second is don't solve the problem with violence. Look for a settlement that can be accepted by all parties.
and language element. 1. Using past tense and simple past tense. 2. Using conjunction. 6W and 1H. What tells the story of the animals who live in the same habitat. The sea. The two animals are Surah, who is a shark, and Baya, who is a crocodile. Both of them experience considerably conflict due to fighting over food and breaking promises that had been previously agreed upon. Who, Surah, is shark, and Baya is crocodile. Whom they would flock to get food.
Over the same food when, in ancient times, were at sea and on land. The initial conflict occurred because the two were looking for food together and met a goat as their lunch. Baya was the first to admit that it was his, so Surah did not accept it, so they started a conflict by committing violence against each other. This made them live in separate places. Surah stayed at sea, and Baya stayed on land. But before that, the two agreed not to fight over food again. One day Surah reneged. He was very hungry and started looking for food in the river close to where Baya lived. And unexpectedly, Baya saw Surah looking for food in his territory. The two had a fight, but it was a bit more extreme, leading to both beating each other tails, but Baya bit Sura's tail so hard that Sura gave up. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you have learned something new today.